Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to easily insert a picture into a Microsoft Word document and position it the way you want. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Microsoft Word document. Step 2. Go to the Insert tab on the top menu. Step 3. Click on Pictures to choose an image to insert. Step 4. Browse and select the image you want to add. Then click Insert. Step 5. Resize and move the image as needed. Step 6. Use the Wrap Text option to adjust how the image interacts with your text. That's it. You've successfully added and positioned a picture in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.